says, Dear Audrey, hooray, it's your birthday. Today you are 3. You've grown up so fast, it's amazing to see. Happy birthday to 3-year-old you. Have a wonderful day. Best wishes to you on this special day. Lots of love, Great Grandma Stewart.
Mom?
You're doing a great job.
Look it.
Wow.
Can I draw, Mom?
Yeah, it's yours.
And what is this? I want to draw right now, Mom.
Okay.
Okay, open this. There's a cat and hat something. What is this, Mom?
I don't know. It looks like it's a book and hat. Oh my goodness. Let's open that up.
Yeah. It's a cat and a hat.
Yeah. Put it on.
You.
Not on me. On you.
No, on you, Mom. You're gonna read the cat and the hat book, so you have to read it.
Oh, I have to wear it?
Yeah, because it says on the end here, Mom. I want you to open this, please.
You like your bunny? So thank you, Grandma, for my bunny. Thank you, Great Grandma, for my bunny.
And I need great grandma. I like great grandma.
Say it.
And I like this one.
Say thank you.
Thank you, great grandma.
That's good.